This demonstration to show you how to install MarkLogic content pump. We will select the binary and then go to our downloaded folder. That'll be it. Unzip it. The file is here. Open this. I think we only need to put this bin somewhere, put this folder somewhere. So I'm going to copy this, put it into my program files. I'm going to put it together where I installed MarkLogic. So that will be my local program files. So somewhere here. I need my password. Okay, environment variable, system variables, find path, edit it, add new, and put that one in the end. So okay. So at this time, we should have this MLCP installed. To see if our installation was successful, if the system knows what to do with it, we need to call MLCP and see if the system knows it. So we'll come here, start the command line by typing CMD. Again, it's on Windows. So MLCP. Okay. So this, if you see something like this, that means your installation was successful and the system path was set also correctly. The system output the usage, tell you you need some additional arguments for MLCP command. If you found something like function not found, then that means that your system, the system path was not set up correctly. You want to go back and do that. Another note, if you have command prompt open before you set the system path, you will have to close command prompt, this console, close it, set the path, and then restart a console to have the path take effect. Okay, that's it.